My name is Tom Preston. I work for Duo Broadband in Jamestown, Kentucky. We serve just a little over 15,000 broadband customers. I feel like that we have brought fiber to customers, and that has really enabled them to be a part of modern society. I've been here within RTC for about 5 years. I'm on the board of directors. So now we use the RTC's help desk for our broadband customers. KRTC, it's a large organization. They really maximized on their economies of scale, AI type products, and so forth, that it's hard to achieve as a small company. You're going to have a level of comfort, you're going to have a high level of expertise to count on, and great leadership, and I would highly recommend them to anybody. Woodford Reserve is a standard, but if I really want to upgrade, I go to the Buffalo Trace products like Blanton's, Weller. I mean, you can go off the map. Some people talk about Pappy. I don't know if the juice is really worth the squeeze, but I like the people.
Any people in particular?
Cynthia,